have a question for you. How do you decide what keywords you want your website, blog, or sales funnel to rank for on Google? Do you throw a dart at a board and just guess? No, of course not. That would be silly. If you spend your time putting up a website, writing a blog, or writing the copy for your sales funnel, you want them to show up in the search results. The best thing for you to do is research. And when it comes to researching keywords and search terms, what are those keywords and search terms when someone enters on the keyboard and into the search bar? What are those keywords that say, I want your product and I am ready to buy? Some search terms signal that the person is just doing some broad research. Other search terms can signal that a person is ready to buy. I'm going to share a secret hack with you that will help you to use that data that's right in front of you to get those search terms that lead to people making purchases. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe to continue receiving great reviews. So it's actually pretty simple, and you can do this in Google or save yourself loads of time by using a free tool that I'll show you towards the end of the video, but I'll show you both. Now, when people go to the search bar to enter their search term, it's mostly always a root word preceded by what we'll call a seed term. Seed terms are the terms added before or after a root word. For example, in the search, flowers nearby, flowers is the root word and nearby is the seed term. For this example, we will base our search around the seed term for. The seed term for, it can indicate what a person needs and wants in the root term. So to show you how it works, we'll use the same example of the root word flower. All you need to do is go to Google and type flowers for in the search box. Now what you'll notice is that before you complete your sentence, Google will make suggestions. These are known as Google autocomplete. Now these suggestions are based on popularity or similarity. So if something is trending in Google suggestions, it means lots of people are searching for the same topic at the same time. Now, if you sell flowers, I'll bet there's some interesting nuggets in here for you, such as flowers for vases, flowers for Valentine's, flowers for Valentine's Day. This is a good source for a new product to add to your existing lineup, a unique market to go after, a new way to organize your product, or a new way to position a current product that you have. Now we can make this hack work even harder by moving to alphabeticals. So this time type flowers for and the letter A. Now we see different options. Then flowers for and the letter B. Many more options. Then flowers for and the letter C. And so on until you've gone all the way through the alphabet. You'll have an absolute ton of insights about the people that are looking for flowers and their needs. Now comes the real hack, because you can input all of this info one at a time, or use this free online tool that puts it together for you in a detailed, easy to read format. Yeah, this saves us a lot of time. And that tool is called Answer the Public, and I'll show it to you. Okay, and here we are at the website Answer the Public. I love this landing page. This guy's funny. You'll notice that he moves around and he laughs at you. So we'll just type in our root word and our seed term, flowers for, and then we'll enter the search and just take a look around this page. When you take a look around this page, it shows you examples of how to use the website. It shows you what the interface looks like and gives you a few testimonials here, and also um, also reviews about the website and more information about the website. It's a really handy tool to use. I use it quite often, and you can use it to create better content and always know that your content is relevant to what people are searching for. So we've entered in flowers 4. The next thing we want to do is hit that search button. Now let's take a look at the results. You'll get hundreds of ideas and what people are searching for, prepositions, comparisons that people are searching for, alphabeticals, tons of information what people are searching for with flowers. Now all of these insights are from Google, but without having to do multiple searches around your topic. And this method works for all kinds of brands, products, and services. Let's try the root word skin lotion, the seed term 4. With this result, we discovered all the terms that people are looking for around skin lotion. Do you use body lotion in the shower? Can I use body lotion in the shower? What's the best lotion for creepy skin? What is skin firming lotion for? These are invaluable insights. If you want to check out this free tool and this free cheat sheet, this cheat sheet shows how you get the most from the search data, what terms to add at the end of your root word, and what each term could indicate. Terms such as versus, with, without. Each of these terms can indicate different buying behaviors. So give the tool a try, grab a copy of this cheat sheet. I'll leave a link below somewhere in the comments, and take care, and we will talk to you soon.